29 minutes just on in the second quarter. 3GL Geelong Building Society scoreboard umpire with the football. A play for the Essendon side. Direct play down towards the side of the wing. There's the siren.
Car dealers are currently apologising for delivery delays of up to 3 months. Your person can sit behind the wheel of a brand new Pintara immediately. Test drive a Pintara today, then drive up with a smile on your face. Thanks to this and this Don't Worry